on this car we're doing our NA Stage 3 package, where we're going to be installing a set of our long tube headers with sports cats, an upgraded JLT Cold Air Intake and one of our custom tunes, and it's going to give this car an extra 50 wheel horsepower ish and about 100 foot-pound of torque at the rear wheel, so it's going to feel like a completely different car.
So I'm assuming the headers will just give it more flow, so more air in, more air out.
Exactly, mate. So we're upgrading the intake side and we're upgrading the exhaust side, and then with that we need to recalibrate the ECU to obviously take into account them changes.
Mega. But what about the auto box, because that is absolutely horrendous? So does it almost like learn automatically, or will that all take place in the MAP?
So the 10R80s in these cars are a little bit temperamental.
Are they?
They are jerky, they're always going to be jerky. But when I tune them, what I do is I do an adaptation relearn, and it smooths it out. But what you might find after, I don't know, 5,000 miles, you might have to come back and have the adaptation relearn done again.
Right, interesting.
And then it smooths it out again.
So it almost learns itself?
It does, but it learns, it picks up bad habits. Like if it learned in a good way, it wouldn't be as bad. But you kind of reset it back to its default state and it behaves. And then over time it starts to pick up bad habits.
How did you guys become the sort of masters in all things Mustang? Because obviously everybody with a Mustang tends to come to you guys.
Yeah, so we worked on old Japanese cars. We specialise in rotary engines, which we were one of the best in the UK.
It's rare, that is.
People used to come from all over Europe to come see us. And then we got to a point where we realised that it was basically a dying market. So one of our dealers at the time, he was getting into the Mustangs, and we basically saw it as another niche market. So the rotaries is really niche, but the Mustangs was a really niche market because it would just come to the UK as a right-hand drive car. So we bought our first demo car, and it were crap. We just kept going, pushing it, and then Asbo won there. We pushed that up to 1,000 horsepower on a stock engine. But that's how it started, and we're still going now. Obviously, this new platform's out. The ECUs they're still locked currently, so.
So you can't do anything with the ECU.
But
is that Ford?
Yeah,
really?
So it's fully locked out. It's not because they don't want people to tune the cars.
Right.
It's because it's a national security threat. Because the cars, they've got over-the-air updates.
Oh wow, really?
So they don't want the cars getting hacked, basically.
That's crazy. Is that common on a lot of cars, or just these Fords?
A lot of the new cars, BMWs have got over-the-air, Porsches have.
Wow, and people are hacking them instead of...
Yeah, it's America, isn't it?
So what happens when someone hacks your car then, to steal it, I would assume?
I mean like other countries hacking the car.
To get data for what?
You could control the full car remotely.
Oh wow, not accelerate everything.
You could control the full car remotely.
Wow.
If someone was savvy enough.
But not one of these?
So that's why, no, not one of them.
Thank God.
That's why America are worried about people.
I'm not surprised.
Not people, countries hacking.
Have you heard about any of that in this country yet? No. Not yet, but it's coming. It's coming. Shit, right. I'll stick to this bag of crap. So I've had the car back now from MAP tuning. It was maybe like 3 days with them. I've had it for a week and it is absolutely crazy. The one thing I would say is the sound. The sound is absolutely worth it because it's absolutely ridiculous. You can't really keep the car in normal anymore because it's just too loud, like on the motorway. It's crazy, but then when you want it to be loud in shows and stuff, it's bonkers. So they put a massive cold air intake. I mean, look at this, look at the size of this JLT cold air intake. It's absolutely crazy. They dropped the engine, they put different engine mounts on, so it's a bit better handling and all that. They've obviously had it on the dyno, so the extra power they've got from the bigger headers is now actually used. It pops and bangs, it's crazy. Honestly, the guys there as well are some of the most knowledgeable guys ever, like honestly, and they're just nice. I've been to many garages and had many cars in my day. I've had so much work done, and the guys there are actually legit. They don't see you coming, they don't take your pants down. It's a fair price and you get what you pay for basically, and they are absolutely unbelievable.